Dr. Oburu Oginga, you will support me in this one. This sessional paper number 10 of 1965, that is the source of all the problems we have in this country. When people put ink on paper to say that there is part of this country that is classified as useful Kenya and other parts which are classified as useless Kenya, we are still paying for that misadventure that happened 60 years ago. And that is what I'm trying to resolve to this. For me, all parts of Kenya are useful. There is no one part of Kenya that is useless, because you are contributing with your fish, with your cotton, with your sunflower, with your avocados. Are you not shareholders? You, by the mere products that you have that can contribute to our jobs, contribute to our foreign exchange, contribute to our national GDP. Everybody in this country is a shareholder. And as I complete this program, you'll be able to see that we can all move together. Siku ya Jumamosi, mimi ni shabiki wa mpira na nashabikia timu inaitwa Chelsea. Huko juu na hapa chini, mimi mnajua ni mtu ya Gor Mahia. Kogalo. Kogalo Asante sana na Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Bwana CS, before you go to your seat kindly,